conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, NexGen solutions, NexGen IT solutions, and all those. Okay, so before entering into the topic, my question for everyone is: have you heard about this platform anywhere? Let's keep it as an interactive session because it's just okay. Have you heard about this platform? Anyone? Anyone? Have you heard about this platform?
Yes, Arjun. Recently, nowadays, people are shifting from SAP to Dynamics 365.
Okay, so from SAP to
It is
D365. Okay,
nowadays people are. It is very user friendly, and nowadays it is going to be trending. Nowadays, every office is using this D365 for accounts payable or receivable. Clear cut of the any project. For example, if we are in the one project, we want any legal entries like that. It is going on nowadays. It is going. It is very easy to understand, Arjun.
okay. So yes, I mean your points are very good enough. I mean to explain about this product, but yeah. Okay, so see, before entering into the D365 CRM topic, okay, I wanted to discuss about the ERP module. What is this ERP? What is this ERP? Can anyone try it out? Maybe the definition you can able to see the definition here also. The ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. Okay, enterprise resource planning. The name specifies that there is a company enterprise can do their resource plannings. Okay, name by seeing the name at least we can understand that this is a process of planning. This is a resource of a planning here. Okay, let's give an example here. I'll take the example of a Samsung here. Okay, I'll take the example of a Samsung. So what Samsung will do normally, Samsung is a Korean company where they manufacture the product, they will sell the product, they will service the product. They are, I mean, in the background, they are the administrators, they have the e-commerce website, they have the finance process as well, and they have the manufacturing units, they have the HR departments, they have admin.
You are not audible, Arjun, right now. Hello.
This
I mean,
conference will now be recorded.
yeah, hi all. There is a like uh, small internet connection disconnection.
No
Actually, I
worries,
saw.
Arjun. Take it.
Sorry.
No worries, Arjun. You can take. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry. I hope you have hand raised regarding that term. I think. But okay. See. Okay. Let me share my screen back again. Small internet disconnection. Okay, so the ERP, let me take the Samsung as an example that the Samsung is having a different domains where they do with the manufacturing, they do with the sales, service, marketing, and they do with e-commerce, all this. So now coming to the this one as well, like ERP, where Microsoft is having the all the platforms together, where they can handle all the process of this Microsoft in one place, that is Microsoft ERP. Under the Microsoft ERP, our is one topic, that is D365 CRM. Ours is one topic, that is the D365 CRM here. And you see this is, so ours is a D365. I mean, you can go through with this link as well. You can just type D365 ERP in Google, and you will be getting this one, this document from this. But I mean, the Microsoft ERP will be having a e-commerce, finance, human resource, manufacturing, supply chain. and CRM is the one which we are going to discuss. That is D365 CRM, which is handling the sales, service, and the other tools as well, the other applications as well. So this platform is all about providing the service to our clients. I mean, the clients is nothing but the customers, to maintain a good relationship with their customers here, like how the process will be done. Let's say, for example, if you take the manufacturing, they want the bill of materials, they want the everything. So with the bill of materials, they will develop the final material. Maybe it can be a washing machine, or it can be a fridge, or it can be a TV, or it can be a mobile from the Samsung. For all those things, from where they are trying to purchase, and for all those detailing where they are trying to get that materials, all these things can be done through this ERP. Now in this ERP, our main focus is on the D365 CRM. That is nothing but where we handle the sales, marketing, and service related stuffs here. So if you read the information there, see, manage customer data seamlessly across sales, service, and marketing. So this is about the ERP. Under the ERP, ours, whatever the training we are going to take in the future, that will be on the CRM here. So is it clear? Is that clear, everyone?
Yes,
Can I,
Arjun.
can I? Yeah. Okay. Now let's see the overview of the D365 CRM or CE. I can also call it as CE. That means it's also called it as customer engagement. It can also be called as CE. That is nothing but customer engagement. So let's see the overview of the customer engagement, D365 customer engagement. Okay, I'll not discuss all this stuff for now. First of all, what is the definition of the customer? Uh, Raghunath Reddy, I think your his hand raise is done. Your hand raise. Is there any question from you?
No, no, no,
Okay,
nothing.
okay, fine, fine. Okay, so yeah, what is the definition of the customer engagement here? See, the customer engagement definition is it the customer engagement application in D365 or Microsoft first party application built on Power Platform. The this is nothing but the application was built on the Power Platform. Whatever the D365 applications we are having, that applications are built on the Power Platform here. Now the advantage for us, what is the advantage of us for us here? So if you learn D365, you can be a developer in the Power Platform. If you learn Power Platform, you can be a developer for the D365. So there are two advantages here, that is Power Platform and the D365 here. So there is a advantage for us that we can get the two roles, two role opportunities by learning this training, from going this training, that is a developer of D365 and a developer of the Power Platform. So you can get the two advantages here. So because the D365 applications, whatever the applications we are having, those applications are built on the Power Platform. So there is a Power Platform on that the D365 applications are built by the Microsoft here, and we can modify those applications and we can satisfy our clients based upon their enhancements here. Okay, is that clear? This is the first point which I wanted to tell you. And the second point for the definition is the, see, the D365 the D365 applications are used by the organization. They can leverage this application to create a powerful end-to-end relationship with their customers here. See, this application, whatever the D365 applications, who are going to use this application? The application is used by the organization people. For example, let's say, see, you know this. You'll be trying to get this type of calls, right? Maybe I would say like you'll be trying to get like, sir, we are from so and so health insurance company. We wanted to let you know that we wanted to offer you the health insurance policy, and I mean, are you getting this type of calls? Are you getting
Yes,
this type
Arjun
of
will
call?
receive. Yes,
Yes.
yes, Arjun
So
will
who
receive
are
daily
calling those
messages from
people? Yes. Who are those people? Who are those people?
the, the from the insurance department.
Like sitting in the floor, like a BPO people. Basically, it's a BPO people who are sitting in the like a very big thing, and like a BPO people will be calling us and asking us that okay, we are from so and so health insurance company. Like you call to the Amazon services, a telecaller will pick up your call and will answer your questions. So those people, for those people, we are going to develop this application for those type of people, because see, they belongs to an organization. For example, if you are trying to call to an Amazon service, they will pick up and they will ask you details. Okay, sir, we wanted to know your phone number. What is the order you have placed? Okay, from a insurance department, you will try to call them and you will ask them that okay, I wanted to claim my policy. You need to tell your policy number. So for those people, we are building this application. Those people belongs to the organization. Yes or no? They belongs to organization. So for those people who wanted to create a end-to-end relationship with their customers, you see, I hope you have seen in some of the movies also that the people were sitting in a lap in front of the system and they will be trying to reach out to the customers and they try to search their customer details in the in the system. Have you seen those type of things? For those type of applications only we are creating this application here. That organization is leveraging this one to create a end-to-end relationship with their customers here. Clear? Understood about this definition?
Yes, Arjun.
Anyone has any questions on this? Okay. See, okay, I'll start the. I'll go to the next slide. Before going to the next slide, see, this application is on the SaaS application. It's a SaaS application. Remember this one. What is meant by SaaS here? What is meant by SaaS here? SaaS is nothing but software as a service. That means we are taking the software from the Microsoft, and we as a developers, enhancements on the we are doing the enhancements on the application, and that application will be used by the organization for their customers. And this is all, like for example, what is meant by SaaS? I can give one real time example. Everyone goes to the studio to take a photograph. Yes or no? Everyone goes to a studio to take a photos, right? So what they'll do, they'll take your picture. You are the customer of a studio. You are the customer of a studio. What they'll do, they'll take your picture. They'll try to open the Photoshop where they'll upload their photo, upload your photo, and they'll ask you like what type of background do you want, what type of, so they will edit. And where they are editing, that is also a SaaS application. That Photoshop is a SaaS application where they are trying to satisfy the customer. The photographer is trying to satisfy the customer by taking the picture and uploading the picture in the Photoshop. It's a SaaS application, and doing the service of editing the photo and enhancing the photo, doing the service. It's a software which is purchased from the Adobe, and they are enhancing that photo, and he is satisfying the customer. He is making the customer happy with the photograph. The similar way you can also relate this one. That means the client is purchasing the software from the Microsoft here, and we are here as a developers. We are here to enhance the application, and we are giving this application to the organization to create a powerful end-to-end relationship with their customers here. So in this way, it's a SaaS application. Clear? Clear about it? So SAP is also a SaaS application. Salesforce is also a SaaS application. So yes, these are all the SaaS applications here. So remember, wanted to make sure this is one of the SaaS applications here. Okay, now can I go to the next slide? Okay, so in the customer relationship management, there are five core There are 5 core applications you will be getting. What are those 5 core applications? One is the customer insights. Second is the sales. The third is the service, field service and the customer service. Fifth one is the project operations. See, for example, you wanted to launch a so for example, you are trying to launch a product. Okay, that for that product you wanted to do the insights, like for example customer insights, nothing but a marketing. So you are trying to launch the product and you wanted to do the marketing for the product. So for that, you can able to do the marketing, saying that okay, see, basically this product is so good. We will be marketing in the Insta or Facebook or whatever. So it's like marketing about the product is nothing but it's just like showcasing about knowing about the pulse of the pulse of the customers and campaigning your product here. So that can be done through the customer insights here. That can be done by knowing the customer information and customer pulse here. You can market your product here. You can market your product. And the second thing is sales. Sales means it's like, sorry, for example, let's take the same example of the insurance company. What they will do, they will try to reach out to us. See, they can get the details from so and so people here. So they can get the details from maybe for example, you went to a policy bazaar and from there you try to enter your details. There you have entered your phone number automatically from the policy bazaar. A ABC insurance company has taken your details. By knowing your details, they'll try to reach out to you saying that okay, hi Arjun, we are from so and so company. We got your details that you are searching for a insurance. We are from ABC Health Insurance Company and we wanted to offer you this products. And we are from very good background and we are all those things, like we have good climb ratio and all those things. So they are trying to make you to purchase their product. That means they are trying to sell their product and they wanted you as a customer to purchase their product. That means they are doing some sales here. In the similar way, the field service. Okay, you buy a washing machine and after a year or after 2 years you got a repair, you got a issue with your washing machine, and you like tried reaching to that organization and you told that I'm having a issue. So they'll create a work order and that work order will be received by the field service technician who will be reaching to our home and trying to fix that issue, and that all process can be taken care by the field service. Similarly, the customer service is also in the similar lines, that okay, you wanted to know the issue, I mean you wanted to know the claim details, like what are the claim details of a insurance here, all virtual or anything. So then you can reach out to their customer service and you can try figuring out how you can able to do this. Similarly, project operations, if there is any project that maybe it can be a manufacturing project or a software project or anything, there are some steps of operations will be handled, that we need to know the details of the project and who is going to be how many peoples, and all those things can be handled in this application D365 project operations as well. Now the D365 applications, so whenever a client is trying to purchase a license on the D365, we will be getting all these applications as a sample applications here. Now it's our responsibility to make these applications based upon the client's requirement. Okay, is it clear? Now it's our responsibility to make this application. Let's say for example, they want some sales here, they want some sales, D365 sales. Then what they can do, they can purchase a D365 sales from the Microsoft, and Microsoft gives a sample application of Sales Hub. They can try converting that Sales Hub with I mean they can change the Sales Hub with their domain, like health insurance domain or a manufacturing domain or a insurance or a like any domain. It can be any domain. So this Microsoft D365 supports in any domain. You take automobiles. Anyone has visited Royal Enfield showroom? Anyone visited Royal Enfield showroom or Royal Enfield service centers? Anyone? One. Okay. The Royal Enfield service or sales are using this Microsoft D365 itself. Maybe if time permits, go and check it. And Volvo also using this D365 service and itself. Manufacturing wise, I mean this one. Lawyers, law departments, insurance departments, banking departments. Everyone uses this one. Everyone uses this application. It is going to be fit in any domain, not only in the insurance, not only in the manufacturing, not only in the sale, not only in the automobiles or anywhere. It is going to be fit in anywhere because everywhere there is a sales. Everywhere there is a sale. Wherever the sales is there, it can be fitted. Wherever there is a marketing, it can be fitted. Wherever there is a field service, wherever there is a customer service, product operations, it will be fitted. It's simple that it depends upon the client and it depends upon the client's requirement that where to do what to do. Okay, can I go to the next slide? Anyone has any questions here? Okay, let me go to the next. See, we have seen all these applications. We have understood like what is these applications are doing here. But but what is this? Where the data is getting stored? See, we understood that this application is having a customer insight, sales, service, customer service, project operations, and all these things. But where the data is getting stored here? For that, the answer is Dataverse. For that, the answer is Microsoft Dataverse. And this is a cloud-based application. It's a cloud-based application that it's a cloud-based application that has the like it can store the data and it is a easily secure and manageable application. Why? Let's see the benefits of this Microsoft Dataverse. See, as I saw, as I mentioned, this is a cloud-based application and very easy to manage as well. See, first of all, this application, whatever the application you see here, this is very easy to manage. What is this easy to manage? So here, okay, one question I'll ask. Will you write any query to fetch your Google Photos? Do you write any code or anything to fetch the Google Photos? I'm asking in the team. No, right? No, right? So if you logging with your Gmail, it automatically tries to identify that you are Arjun and it automatically fetches the details like, okay, Arjun Kumar has logged in. Let me fetch his photos. But every photos are available in the Google Cloud. Whatever the photos you are having, that photos are available in the Google Cloud. And based upon the logged in user, I can easily say that I can easily tries to logging, and based upon my login details it will try to fetch only my details here. That is what here is also happening. Based upon the login user, it will try to identify what are the accesses he is having, and according to that access the data will be pulled from the Dataverse here. So it is no need to write a single query or no need to write any small queries here. It's just like you just can easily, if you open your application and it identifies the user, based upon the user it will try to get the details of the records here. It's very easy to manage. Now rich in metadata, yes, it is very rich in metadata that it can handle any data type. Data types are nothing but strings, int, like a text field or a number field or a date field or date and time, lookups, choices. We will be having all these things here. So that it is very rich in metadata. So it is very rich in metadata here. Clear? Is it clear? Now logic and validations. See, logic wise and validation wise, there are some tools which are available for with this with Microsoft Dataverse, where we can establish and where we can create it as well. Now we can also apply some logic, custom logics, and we also have some tools where we can build those tools like BPFs, workflows, Power Automates, all those things. Then we have easily to secure. Yes, as I told you, it's also having end-to-end encryption where we can say that a logging, whoever is logging into the system, whatever the records he should be able to see, all those records can be easily secured and has high productivity tools. See, this Microsoft Dataverse can integrate to any tools. Like as you see the image here, it can be integrated with the Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automates, Power Pages, and same AI builders. Now Copilot Studio, anywhere it can integrate with anywhere in the world. And this also has some other tools where we can use that tool to manipulate the data on whatever we wanted. We can do it. It requires actually in the it requires actually. Okay, clear? Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Anyone has any questions still here? Okay, so this is all about the D365 and the data storage and the application, everything. And not only this, our training includes the a lot of customizations and the configurations as well. So where I wanted to just give you some highlights of those trainings as well. One second, let me get the Paint application. Okay, see, from this training, from this training, you will be getting a benefit of, as I already mentioned, you'll be getting the benefit of Dynamics 365 CRM with Power Platform tagline, with Power Platform developer role as well. Because we are going to cover these two topics here. We are going to cover Dynamics 365 CRM and Power Platform. Okay, so these are the two things which you will be getting from this training here. Apart from this, you'll also be learning. Apart from this, you will be learning. One second. Okay. Apart from this, you'll be learning about the data modeling. I'm trying to cover in this way data model, where in data model, you will be able to create the tables. You will be able to create the tables, columns, columns, and relationships. Whatever I'm writing, those are very important. Relationships, forms, views, these things. Now, after this, there are some customizations where you will be learning, you will be letting you know that business rules, BPF, business process flows, classic workflows, sorry, classic workflow, I mean workflows, Power Automates. Don't feel that this is very don't feel that this is very huge, very small, very easy. These are all the tools itself, a small tools where you can learn it easily here. The main part here is, don't worry by seeing this one, the JavaScripts also. And there can be a fear that no, I don't know the JavaScripts. Yes, don't worry, there is a tool that automatically gives the code here. It is not a Copilot, or it is not a chat GPT or anything here. There is a Microsoft recommended tool where you need to configure, and it will generate the code here. It will generate the code here. That's it. It is just a tool which is provided. It is recommended by other Microsoft also. It is recommended by the Microsoft to use as well. Clear? It's a JavaScript. Then a small portion of plugins. I mean, plugins are important, but again, I'm telling you, I'll be making it very easy for you. But nowadays, the plugins are being replaced with Power Automates here. The plugins are also being replaced with the Power Automates. So only 5%, I would say 5% of the people are using the plugins here. 5% of the people are only using the plugins. Other than that, because plugins are it will take the maintenance, actually it will take a maintenance issue. So mostly I would say 5% of the people are only using the plugins here. Other than that, everyone shifted to the Power Automate itself. So like this. Then we have the security role, security related stuff which will be discussed here, which is also one more important security. Security. Then deployment strategies, deployments. Then we are will be seeing then also we'll be seeing Power Pages, a small portion of Power Pages, and a small portion of theoretical knowledge on Canvas app application, because Canvas app is something which cannot be completed in 2 to 3 days. So we'll be discussing about the Canvas app as well. Then we will see the Power BI, a small portion of Power BI as well. Again, the Power BI is also something which we wanted to give some overview. Then then this some of these items, the main thing you also see the sales and service applications as well, service related stuff applications as well. So these are the topics which we'll be covering in this training. In between there are some other things as well, like in the deployment strategy we'll be covering the sales, solutions and managed and unmanaged differences between managed and unmanaged data imports, ribbon workbench, all these things. Okay. So in this way we will be covering all the topics here. So in this way we will be covering the topics of all these topics. So let us know. Yeah, and sorry, yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention one more point as well. That is, one more point is Copilot Studio as well. Copilot Studio also, a small overview about the Copilot Studio. Also, yeah. Okay, is that clear? So in this way, we are going to see this training very in a very seamless way. So I hope you will be trying to easily adopt this all the points which I have mentioned here, and you will be able to be in the good journey. In future, we'll be able to see in the next journey here. Okay, guys, anyone has question? I'll be stopping the demo here for now. We can continue from next onwards, where will be the sales, service, and all those things, user onboarding process. We'll see everything here, but I'll stop here and I'll clarify your doubts here, because this is your first class. I don't want to make you be bored. I wanted to clarify your doubts also. Let me clarify your doubts and make it very, like, I'll be making it very comfortable for you. Anyone has any questions here? Ah, hello, hello. 1 second. Yeah, guys, tell me. Anyone has any questions? Guys, it's a great opportunity to clarify your questions, and it's your. I think it's great if you can clarify your questions right now. I mean, definitely. Guys, if you don't have any questions, see. If you don't have any questions, I think hope we will start the training very soon. Okay, we'll decide the timings and we'll start the training very soon. And we'll try to connect as soon as possible to start the quick start the training, and we'll see more progress. It's a very great platform, I would say, because it's a Microsoft and it's having a very good future as well. So yeah, so we'll see, and we'll join. We'll inform you the timings and everything, and we can start very fastly here. Okay. Thank you all. So as per the email, as per the messages, October 11th onwards, we are going to start the regular sections. So yeah, please try to register, and we'll be seeing in the next classes. Okay. Thank you all. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.